Always alone.
Hi, love! Nakamangot. Are you sleepy? Or are you hungry?
Oh.
We are here!
We are here. One eternity later.
Having dinner!
A few moments later.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel! And yes, welcome back to us because it's been a while since the last time that we vlogged. And we were so busy, and even right now, pero we decided that this time around, kailangan namin i-push itong vlog na to because our baby Cadence is turning 2.
Wow!
So yes, it's Cadence's birthday, and we were looking for a place wherein we can celebrate her birthday as much as possible, yung nature sana. And medyo mahirap because we're still in pandemic. And but it's a good thing that we were able to find this place here in Pico de Loro na pwede ang bata and pwede rin ang seniors, but at the same time they're not sacrificing yung health protocols. So that's what we're gonna be doing on this travel vlog series because we decided na to do this in parts. And on this vlog, we'll be sharing with you this unit na we found through Airbnb. Super, for me, it's maganda. Very reasonable in price, and actually this is newly renovated. So yes, if you are looking for a place wherein you can celebrate some occasions or even just a simple staycation, probably this vlog is for you. And on the next vlogs, we'll be sharing with you the requirements that we've worked on in order for us to travel with a toddler and a senior. But right now, it's 4 a.m. and we haven't decorated the place. Today is Cadence's birthday. So please stay tuned.
One eternity later.
Good morning, everyone! Hi! Happy birthday, girl! Happy birthday, baby! Galing! Tumeme! Ah! Happy birthday! Aww! It's your birthday today! It's your birthday! What do you want on your birthday, no? You want Dave and Eva? What do you want on your birthday? Dave and Eva? Okay! Hold on, ha? Today is Cadence's birthday! Yay! And how old are you now, love? 2! What's mommy's name? Jackie. How about daddy? What's daddy's name? Gian. How about you? What's your name? Art. What's your surname? Ortaza. How old are you? 2. Where do you live? Pasig. Cadence! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Who's that?
Happy baby.
Who's that, baby?
Happy. Are you happy? Who's this baby? What is?
Who's this?
Who's this baby?
Who's that?
Jesus, Jesus.
Who's that, baby? Are you happy?
want your puff?
Apa, baby?
Puff! Yeah!
Take care.
Wow! Look at that! This is tuwan-tuwa. Tuwang-tuwa.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
A few moments later.
Are you brushing your teeth? Huh? Go. Look at this girl. How about your tongue? Tongue. What are you trying to do? You wanna wear that, love? You wanna swim? Do you need mommy's help? Jesus. Show it to daddy. Show it to daddy. Wow. Independent girl. You need mommy's help? Huh? You need mommy's help? She's sumasagot. Oh, you just tell mommy if you need help, okay? Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to this.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. One more minute pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Go, go. Harder. Go harder. One more.
Yay!
Very good.
Good job, baby.
Sorry, Berto.
Mag-iarong ka.
3 days later.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
Say hello, everyone. Hi. Say hello, everyone. Hi. Where are you? Are we gonna swim? Are we gonna swim, baby? We are going to swim. There's the swimming pool. There. Ayan, wala masyadong tao. So, wala masyadong tao ngayon na Pico de Loro. It's past 4 p.m. And yan. Puro pwede. Pero kami lang. Konti lang yung tao. Di ba, baby? So, we're gonna swim. Swim.
Buhayan, maglang natap-tap. Buhayan, oh. Yay!
Parang aso. Sinasalo niya yung
Hello!
happy birthday, Jade! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Cadence!
Happy birthday, Cadence!
Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Cadence! Clap, 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 clap! Why are you so excited? I'm so excited! Clap, clap!
Clap, clap, clap.
Hi guys! Good morning! So, hindi na kami nakapag-outro last time. We were so busy and we're just enjoying the moment that we have here in Pico de Loro. Pero yes, the first unit that we rented here sa Pico de Loro. So, if you're interested for your staycation or any occasion that you want to celebrate na malapit sa nature, as in nature, then I think this would be one of the good options that you can have. And I'm just gonna be linking the Airbnb link sa description box below so that you can check it out. For us, talagang we're thankful that we were able to find this unit through Airbnb kasi sobrang sulit talaga siya. Dun sa next vlog namin, we're gonna be sharing with you guys yung mga requirements that we worked on in order for us to travel with a toddler and seniors. And at the same time, we're gonna be showing you another unit tour, penthouse naman siya, that we also rented here sa Pico de Loro, as well as a review of our stay here sa Pico de Loro. So, see you on the next vlog.